Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's again Onibest, and you're welcome to Onibest Beauty Patente B. Hope you all are doing fine. Hope you are doing okay today. So in today's video, we'll be talking of CORSIA di Preselezione con FRECCE DIREZIONALI. Okay, so we'll be dealing with this one. It has 1 and 2 on this particular subject, CORSIA di Preselezione con FRECCE DIREZIONALI. 1 and 2, and we're going to see the both of them for this video. Okay, so if you're just seeing this video for the very first time, if you're just seeing my channel as well for the very first time, do not forget to leave me a subscription. On the notification bell, immediately you give me a subscription, you're going to see a bell over there. Try to on that bell on, turn it on so that anytime I post a video, you'll be the first to know. Okay, it is very important. So I'm going to read through as usual, and I will still explain for you. Now, this is, I'm going to read through, like I said, I'll explain. Le frecce direzionali in figura si trovano all'interno della corsia di preselezione. Prima di incrocio. Now, these arrows we are speaking of, you will see them inside of the lanes, pre-selections lane or corsia di preselezione, meaning say you go select on time which lane you want to use. Now, you find these arrows inside of this kind of lanes before a junction. Now, indicano ai conducenti le direzioni consentite all'incrocio. Now, it indicates to the driver the direction where they allowed for the junction. Now, for this case, which is CORSIA A, it tell the driver say only turning to your left, they allowed. CORSIA B, they tell the driver say you can only turn to your right or you turn to your left, meaning say you know if you go straight forward. Then the last CORSIA C, which is this one here, they indicate say you can only go what? You can only go right. Now, la CORSIA A consente al conducente solo di svoltare a sinistra. So this is basically what I just said. CORSIA A consent you only, solo, this one, solo, only go to your left. CORSIA B consente ai conducenti svoltare a destra o sinistra. CORSIA B, which is this one, either you go to your left or you go to your right. You know if you go more than that. La CORSIA C consente ai conducenti solo di svoltare a destra, while CORSIA C over here tell the driver only go to your right. Okay, it continues. È consentito immettersi nella corsia schietta quando le strisce sono ancora discontinua, tratteggiate. Now, you're allowed to use either of these lanes, your preferred lanes, okay, before this line will turn continue. That means when it's still discontinuous here, you can do any change of lanes as you want. Immediately it becomes continuous, you can't do anything again. Mentre è obbligatorio seguire la direzione indicata dalla freccia se le strisce di corsia sono continue. Possono essere completate da scritte sulla pavimentazione che indicano la località raggiungibile. Now, like I said, you're obliged, before this line becomes continue, try to go to your preferred lanes. Now, it can tell you say, it depends the locality where they go, the city where you want to enter. I'm going to use let's say Milano as an example. Okay, now if it tell you say if you take this particular CORSIA C, the whole right Milano for ground, telling you say when you go to your right, you're going to Milano. Okay, so you definitely indicate with the cities boldly written on the pavement on the floor. Okay, to tell you, say if you take this particular lane, see where you want carry you go. Okay, that is what it's telling you. Now let's see again based on this particular one. Now se possono essere a freccia combinata, ad esempio, dritta destra, per corsia destinata a chi deve proseguire dritto o a destra. Now, just like you're seeing in this photo, if you see I'm going to combine, for example, with an arrow telling you you can go to your right and you can go straight. When you see them like that, it's intended for those people who won't go straight or go to their right. So if it comes with two directions at a time, it will tell you, say, if you go these two directions, occupy me. Non è vero che la corsia A, B e C rappresentate in figura sono a doppio senso di circolazione. It is not true that the corsia A here, the corsia B here And the last one, which is CORSIA C, that is represented in this figure or represented in this diagram, okay, say there be two-way circulation, doppio senso. It is not true. Ok, that's na CORSIA di Preselezione con Frecce Direzionali 1. Now we're going to go to the due. It's still the same thing, but just different directions given this time. Ok? Now, se le frecce direzionali in figura si trovano all'interno della corsia di preselezione. Now, this frecce and arrow, okay, this frecce, you will find them inside of the lanes, the preselection lanes where you need to select on time, which one your preferred one, okay, and you need to enter them really before you will become continuous line, okay. So basically, now what we will not hear before, now we'll see the year again. Okay, but it is not necessary for me to keep repeating it. It gets synced into you. Okay, now say prima di un incrocio, you see before a junction, indicano ai conducenti le direzioni consentite all'incrocio. Now it tells the drivers the direction that are allowed for this junction. La corsia A consente al conducente solo di svuotare a sinistra. Again, CORSIA A consent the driver only go to your left, meaning say you know if you go to your right, you know if you go straight forward. We are going with the arrows as indicated. CORSIA B consente al conducente di proseguire dritto e di svuotare a sinistra. While CORSIA B over here tells the driver either you go to your left or you keep going straight. You can't go to your right. Now, the last one, CORSIA C, consente di svuotare a destra e proseguire dritto. CORSIA C, this time around, consent you go to your right or keep going straight. You can't go to your left. So basically, according to the arrow, now we see so. Okay, we are going according to the arrows. Now, I'm still reading based on this one we just did now, the two. Okay, the first one we saw was the one. And this one now, the second one, okay, the one with frecce. È consentito immettersi nella corsia schietta quando le strisce sono ancora discontinue, tratteggiate, mentre è obbligatorio seguire la direzione indicata della freccia se le strisce di corsia sono continue. Now, basically, what it's telling you is you're allowed to enter to your preferred lanes, your choice of lanes, when this line still discontinuous here, dot, dot. This is when you hear discontinuous, it means the line still dot, dot, dot. This side, you can change lanes to your preferred lanes. Immediately it becomes continuous like this one over here. You cannot change lanes again. You have to remember where you are and follow the direction given on that lane. Possono essere completate da scritte sulla pavimentazione che indicano la località raggiungibile. Now, you can see it with a boldly written locality on it, on the pavement. They will write the locality where you want to go. So for instance, if they come to CORSIA C here, they will write the locality. I'm going to use my city. Okay, let's say, I won't use my city. Let's say Modena. Now, when it is written here, Modena, it tells you that when you keep going, when you go to your left, you're going to Modena. I'm sorry, I'm going to use CORSIA A as an example. Okay, when you go to you follow this way, you're going towards, you're going to Modena. If you take to your left, you're going to Modena. Same applies to others. Okay, if it is, it will be written where you go according to the arrow. Follow this arrow to get to city. Okay, not David, but it can be written. All right, now the next one. Ok, se possono essere a freccia combinata, ad esempio, diritta, destra, per corsia destinate a chi deve proseguire diritto o a destra. Now, it can be two combined freccia, two combined arrow at the same time, okay, telling you either you go to your right and keep going straight, diritta. Now, for those people, that's one for those people, they designated for those people who intend to go diritto or destra. Ok? Now, non è vero che sono di colore giallo nella strada dove è vietata la sosta o di colore blu nella autostrada. Now, this freccia, it not tell you say it if you dey color giallo, which is the yellow color, for place whereby it is forbidden for you to park. Okay, they will come use yellow, take drum instead of the bianco way they will come use yellow, which is giallo, take drum. It is not true, it is false. Now, it is still not true that instead of white, it will come become blue. Because say you see am for autostrada, the big road, it will come become blue. It is still false. Okay? It is false. So in case you see such a questions, it is not true. Okay, if you're still listening to me up to this time, by God grace, you will see your patente. Please and please do not forget to leave me a like, give me a thumbs up. It is very important. Except you feel I'm not doing it well, except you feel I'm not worth it. If I am, then why not? If you can, give me a like, please. It's important. Share me to your family, your friends, your loved ones. Share me. Share me, share me, share me. I want to see more people here. Let the family keep growing. Okay, if you never on your bell, your notification bell after subscribing, please go and do that. It is important so that as soon as I come on live or I drop a video, you will be the first to know. Okay, guys, I love you, but Jesus loves you the most. See you in my next video. Bye.